There's a common misconception with this supercharge. It's not actually feeding the plants necessarily, it's more so feeding the soil. So you're actually recharging the soil with beneficial microbes and nutrients. This is for outdoor or indoor flowering, fruiting, or even just like houseplants. Honestly, the pothos in the living room will appreciate it as well. But it does come with different fulvic acids, amino acids, even has some yucca. And of course, it has different mycorrhizae fungi species that are specifically designed to form a symbiotic relationship with your plants. And in my experience, they seem to form really strong root zones that can uptake nutrients in a way where they aren't as affected by pH and they just simply thrive in a way that they wouldn't be able to if they didn't have the mycorrhizae. So I hope this helps. Hope you have an amazing day. Happy gardening.
Hey guys, Jacob here. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so, especially if you got value from this video. It really helps me out. It is free to do so. So please hit that subscribe button below and have an amazing day.